In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your MacBook keyboard is not typing or not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I recommend doing would be just to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select System Settings. On the left side, select General and then select Software Update and see if there are any updates available, and I recommend installing them here. Something else you can try as well if you want to reset certain system settings would be to restart your computer and then hold down the Option, Command, P, and R key in order to reset certain system settings. This is only applicable for Intel-based Macs, by the way. Something else we can look into here as well while we have this menu open is selecting the accessibility button on the left panel right underneath General. And you want to make sure slow keys are turned off. And to do that, you would select underneath Motor where it says Keyboard. Go ahead and select that. And then if slow keys is toggled to the on position, I recommend turning it off by clicking inside that oval one time. And then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.